Hi everybody, my name is Barry Schwartz and this is the Search Buzz video recap. Today is April 5th, Friday, and this is the search news we covered over at the Search Engine Roundtable at sdroundtable.com. First up, I posted our monthly Google Webmaster Report, the April 2013 Google Webmaster Report. In summary, what happened the past month, Pandas started rolling. Google talked about the next generation Penguin update. A bunch of link networks were squashed by Google. Google penalized a single page on the BBC and accidentally removed Craigslist from their index. We saw our first example of pornography in the knowledge graph, and a lot more going on. I have a summary of everything I posted yesterday, April 4th at sdroundtable.com. We also thought there was some type of small update or something happening on April Fool's or Easter Day at Google, with specifically a lot of people, webmasters, talking about ranking changes and stuff like that. It seems like things went back to normal the day later or the day after that. It might have just been traffic fluctuations because of the holidays, or maybe something going on, not sure. Google has rolled out a new design and feature set for the Google Places console for Google business, for businesses on Google Places. It's rolling out very slowly, currently just to the US, and even the US users are not able to see it fully. There's a whole weird hierarchy of what's going on, but basically the changes include an updated interface that makes it easier to edit your information, updates that show your status of your business on information on Google Maps, improved insights to help you keep track of your business performance on Google, and edits will go live faster. The only issue is now there's like 3 or 4, maybe 5 different ways to manage your Google profile, on Google Plus Local, on Google Places, on Google Bulk List Manager, and this new place right now. So I'm not really sure when Google's going to consolidate everything, but I guess they're working on it. Squidoo, which is Seth Godin's project from a few years ago, actually from 2005, I saw it, sorry. It was one of those things that were spammed by SEOs for a long time. SEOs pretty much killed it, or maybe Google killed it, depends if you ask. Basically, they announced last week or a week ago, basically that they are no-following all external links. I'm surprised it hasn't been done previously, but basically Squidoo is now no-following all outbound links. Google's Matt Cutts has a 90-second video talking about specifically if a site linking to mine gets caught selling links, what happens to my website? So Matt said 3 things. One is a link seller's website should notice a toolbar page rank downgrade of about 30 to 50%. 2, link seller's website loses the ability to send page rank going forward. And 3, the links pointing to your website from the link seller website are no longer counted and no longer benefit your website. So links you might have from this link seller website most likely won't hurt you, but it won't benefit you anymore. Some UI things. Google is testing a cache/similar dropdown. So instead of the arrow, which was changed a couple years ago, now there's an arrow down, which you mouse over and click on. Nothing major. HTML entities still seem to be working in some browsers and some operating systems in Google search results. I have a screenshot over here of some stars in the title tag of Google search results. It worked for me on Safari, not on Chrome. Google's also testing a orange/light blue interface for their tablet design or other things. So I'll post some screenshots of that as well so you can see it. Facebook has announced not really a phone, but a kind of like I guess operating system adjustment to Android with their own spoon or fork of the Android operating system, which basically you can install yourself. There'll be an app called Google Facebook Home. I think April 12th is coming out. Basically, and also there'll be phones that pre-install this as well through AT&T and HTC. It basically brings Facebook right directly into your phone, so your cover feed will be, it's like instead of your home screen or your lock screen, will be stuff streaming from your friends in Facebook. There's something called chat heads, which allow you to chat with your friends even through other apps. Notifications are much more prominent. Obviously, there's more apps and stuff like that. I have more details about this. It's a big announcement that they made yesterday, so I have more details about this morning at sdroundtable.com. Finally, talking about phones, I'm lucky enough to getting Google Glass. So I posted a screenshot of what I look like with Google Glass. I don't have it yet, but I mocked up a screenshot on April Fool's to show you what I look like with it. But I'm very excited about it. And I also posted a video this morning pretty much describing how Google developers can actually program with Google Glass. It's not out yet, but there's a guy at Google, Timothy, who basically described how that works. Anyway, thanks so much for listening to the Search Buzz video recap. My name again is Barry Schwartz. This is the search news we covered over at the Searching Roundtable at SEOroundtable.com. Again, April 5th. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next. Bye.